When it comes to complex diligence, working side by side with a client is game-changing. Today, we're showing you how shared vaults help us do that in one secure platform.
Let's dive in. I can build a customized, branded space for my clients, whether or not they're Harvey customers. Let's say my client has asked me to review thousands of registration rights agreements and deliver an analysis. I can build a vault to centralize all of the documents we need to work with, and we can query over these files together or do bulk analysis through a review table. Here's all the extracted information we need for our analysis in a review table. I'm going to publish the vault and this review table to our shared space. I flagged a couple of places that need your attention. Let me know when you get it.
Great, I've got it. Let me open up the vault. And as a client, I'm not just seeing a file, I'm in the review table with you. I can see what you flagged, verify your work, and I can even add my own flags to anything that needs a second look. I'm curious if any of these terms are not market standard. Let me see what Harvey says, and I can share it back to you for review. This is exactly what I need. It feels like we're making faster, more precise decisions together.
That's the goal. It just makes working together with all our clients, Harvey customer or not, that much easier.